Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Lady D Shop. Today I'm going to show you making guacamole, bro. This time with bacon. I already fried my bacon and cut in very little teeny pieces, and I'm going to cut this tomato I need for my guacamole. I cut very small. And today I'm gonna try a different container for my guacamole for keep it fresh and longer. I'm gonna try and find this in Target, and I'm really it looks very interesting. And you know, guys, this weekend is the Super Bowl. This guacamole is perfect. Oh, my salsa is good with cheese. Normally I use half the tomato. This Roma tomatoes is small because I don't like too much, and I like very, very small. This is the way I cut my tomato. And how's the cool? I got my fun, more beachy clothes, summer clothes, because I like more hot feeling is in a beach now. No, some more warmer place. Okay, I have my tomato, and I'm gonna put it in my container over here. Okay, this is my green onions. This one is the one I like use for my guacamole, and I'm gonna use my spoon. Let's go do this. Put the onions, the cilantro, and the bacon. That is give a very good flavor. You know, find this recipe anyway. This is a make for a special friend of family, Chris Chaplin. He passed away last year. He is the one love this guacamole. I know he enjoy a lot when me make it. He asking for this. This is my aguacates, because I never learned to say avocados. It's a difficult word for me. No, that's the difficult for Colombian. How many words? No, I can't say it. I hope you guys understand my words. Bueno, the normal for my guacamole, no green give blood and put the sip in. Pero today I'm going to try this Pre-Works Pro Keeper. It's fresh guacamole keeper, and I'm going to tell you guys in the next video how is that work. It's something new I find it. Okay, this is the way I do. Now I'm going to show you try to make aguacates what is better. Okay, this one looks so nice. Be careful not cut your hands when you do this with the knife. But I had this other little thing my mother-in-law gave to me. Suppose you only do this and everything coming out. Okay. Suppose this is make it more easy do guacamole. Okay. This time I find a big aguacate, so avocados, and I'm going to use only 2. I don't need my spoon because I'm going to use my new toy. This make it easy, faster, and it's very good. It's similar. I'm going to take my seed because I'm going to try my new fresh guacamole keeper. Okay, amigos, friends. Okay, now it's time for put my little lime juice. I'm going to use a spoon for you guys had idea how much I put. Is 1, 2, 3 spoons, a small spoon. Okay. A little pinch of salt. That looks so delicious. Now I'm going testing when cheats my delicious guacamole. That is good. You go find the crunchy, the bacon, and the lime, and every single thing make it very, very good. I'm gonna try one more time. It's very, very good. Try this new. I know nobody put bacon in his guacamole, but this is very good idea. Try this weekend because the Super Bowl. Enjoy, have fun, and thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget, give like and subscribe.